ladies, it's Jamie and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing long holiday weekend. I know I did, and I took some much needed time off, so you did not see a video posted on Saturday. I'm really sorry about that, but I will be back to the normal 2 a week this week. And this video is going to be all about how to style a t-shirt dress. I'm going to show you 5 ways, maybe a few more mixed in there, but there are some great ways to wear just a simple, inexpensive t-shirt dress and elevate it to where you have a really cute outfit. And so I'm going to show you ways to do this for summer and then for some cooler weather for those of you that are not in the summer heat just yet. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already. So let's go ahead and jump into looking at 5 ways to style a boring t-shirt dress. Before I jump into the outfits, I do have a couple of tips for you. You know, I always leave a couple of tips at the front of the video. And the first one is try to find a t-shirt dress that is cute, that has some fun details to it. And I did talk about this in my how to style boring solid tees video. And I'm going to say the same thing again for this. If you find something that has cute elements like ruffles or ruching or is a midi length, I think that's even different and fun, with a cute slit in the side, a cute texture, and even a print if you just want a more of a classic style but want to add some cuteness, you can do it in a print. So just think about those things when you're trying to choose a t-shirt dress. But if you already have just kind of a boring regular t-shirt dress that has a little pocket on it that actually looks like a t-shirt, then that is totally fine. You can still take some of these things that I'm going to show you to pair with them and make it work. But if you want to wear it by itself, a great way to do it is to find one with cute details. And the second thing is find one that works perfectly with your body shape. And so I have videos on how to find your body shape if you don't know what your body shape is, and then how to dress your body shape. So I'll link those in the description so they're easy for you to get to, but that is going to be very helpful as well. And for reference, I'm 5'4", I'm rectangle shape, so this dress is a little bit more straight down. It is loose, so I think if you are a slight pear shape or even a slight apple shape, that this could work for you as well. So just think about that as you're choosing your dresses. So of course, this t-shirt dress can be worn just by itself, but I wanted to show you ways that you can elevate your t-shirt dresses. And the first way I chose to elevate this one is the simplest way that you can do it. And that's by adding some accessories. It doesn't have to be a belt, but I wanted to show you how cute a belt is with something like this. Even if it was shorter, it kind of separates the two, the top half from the bottom half, and makes it look like 2 different pieces. And I just thought it was really cute. And so this belt is one of my favorites of the season. I've put it with a lot of things if you've seen my other videos. And if you don't have a belt like this, that's okay. Choose one that is really cute for you and that goes with your dress. I loved the contrast and color between these two. And then I added a cute woven flat gold sandal and some gold jewelry. And so you can see where I just layered 2 necklaces together and added some gold hoops. And then I did put on some bracelets on my arm because I felt a little bare, and I've got an extra ring on the finger. So you can do whatever works for you, but adding accessories can help elevate your outfits, especially a very boring t-shirt dress like this. Another way to elevate the outfit is with a cute handbag, and I chose one that matches my belt really well. And I just love this for a summertime outfit that will take me just about anywhere. So outfit number 2, you probably guessed, is my favorite of them all. 1, because it has a denim vest, and 2, I'm wearing my favorite sneakers. So I thought this combination was really good because I think the sneakers cover more of the foot, so they look a little bit heavier, and I think the denim vest is a little bit heavier, so I think it helps balance the outfit. If you wanted to wear an espadrille or a chunkier sandal, this is how you would do it. So you would want a little bit more chunky on top to match the chunky on the bottom. So think about if you had a tank style t-shirt dress that was really minimal on top and you put a really chunky shoe on the bottom, you're gonna look unbalanced. So a delicate shoe with that would be a lot better. So I'm just trying to give you tips to think about as you're putting your own things together, and I'm hoping that is helpful. But I did add some cute earrings that are pink that go back with the pink on the sneakers, and I added pink into the bracelets on my arm and just kept on the same layered necklace. So this is a great outfit that I would just throw on and go, and I would not even think twice about it. Super easy, super simple, and super stylish. So here is the denim jacket. So if you are in a little bit cooler weather and want to cover your arms, or just love covering your arms in the summertime when you go inside, again, I've said this before, air conditioning makes me freeze. So this would be a good option. And I think if you have a midi length dress on, most of the denim jacket styles are going to work. Even this swing utility jacket style that I have, or even a longer style. I have a little bit oversized one that I would do with this as well. And I just added the pink bag because I thought it was cute. I didn't add it to the other outfit, but you could do it with the other one as well. And I just love this. So if you do live in cooler weather and don't like the vest, you could do just a denim jacket. Since I showed you the denim vest layered, I wanted to show you another version to layer a knit vest that makes it a little bit dressier. And so I just took this cute little button-down vest that I found at Target. It's actually navy with some other colors in it, so it's kind of a space dye look. And then I layered it over the gray dress, and I thought the navy and gray blended really well. And so if you're going to pair them, just make sure they go together really well and it's the right length. And also the right neckline and sleeveless look that will go good with your dress. So this one was perfect. And I couldn't believe it. I thought they were made for each other. And to lighten it up, I just added the white earrings, the white shoes, and the white in the bag. But you could choose whatever accessories you wanted to mix. But since it was summertime and this was for summer, I really wanted to make it look summery. So that's how I chose to do it. And now I want to show you another version that you could do that actually makes it a little bit more geared towards cooler weather, and that's just changing some of your accessories and your shoes. So this option is actually so good for cooler weather and for transitioning from summer to fall, which will be here in a couple of months for us in the South. But I love pairing my ankle boots with some of my more summery things once I get closer to fall, because it's still 100 degrees, but I want to look like I'm wearing something that's more geared towards fall. So this is how I do it, and I think a really nice ankle boot is a fun option with a t-shirt dress and then layering some other things with it like I've done here. Now, the longer shirt goes great because I have the midi length dress on. If you have a shorter dress on, you may want to make your outer layer a little bit shorter. But I do think this is perfect because I did add another color bag that's a little darker, so makes me think more of fall, although I do carry this in the summer. I'm carrying it now. And then darker earrings. So you can see the difference between the white and this and how much of a different outfit it is. Now, if it's not super cool outside and you're still hot and you want to just wear the sleeveless version of this with the ankle boots, that works perfectly well too. So just wanted to give you those ideas for those of you that have asked me to include some cooler weather things in my videos. This, I think, is the perfect version for you. Another super easy way to elevate your t-shirt dress is to throw your favorite t-shirt over it. And I chose just this Sunday Vibes graphic tee because I loved the color, and the Sunday Vibes is in kind of a grayish print, so I thought it went really well with the dress. And then I just added a flat sandal. I would also do my sneakers and just a fun earring. So this is a great way to have a casual outfit. You could hang out if you were having friends over in this. You could wear it out to run errands. And I just think it's another way to make it very versatile. So instead of choosing a skirt that is a straight skirt like this, you could choose a dress and also add some things over it. You could add cropped sweaters over this to transition. If you do t-shirts like this that are longer, I would tie them in a knot. I think that's what makes it really cute. And all you do is just, I'll show you if you want me to. This is pretty long and you can see where I've stretched it, but I just roll it under in the back. And then I pull it forward and bring all of it to the side. and then I just tie it in a knot. So easy peasy, and then I just kind of play with the hem and pull it wherever I want it and make it look really cute. So super easy way to elevate it and to create an outfit that is just easy and also very cool for spring and summer. So for this next outfit, I had to show you a button-up shirt over the dress because I think this, I have said it a million times, this is such a versatile piece that you can have in your closet. If you do not have a white button-up oversized shirt, you should definitely get one, or get one in a color. I have a pink one that I've worn as well, and I can do the pink one over this. And I just love this look. It's super easy, especially if you live in cooler weather as well. This is another good option. You could add the ankle boots to this, and the ankle boots elevate it to more of a fall look, or just keep your sandals on, and even a chunky sandal like I have on. I thought this was a lot of fun to do with this, and I added in some black accessories. So it actually helped mix the black and white together really well over the gray. And I just thought this was a lot of fun. If you had a pop of color here, I think it would look good too in the t-shirt dress, just whatever you decide. And the white button-up shirt is just the perfect thing to wear over it, and tie it at the waist. I actually did like it just open like I did the denim shirt, but I think this one really creates a very, how do I say, classic looking outfit like this, and it makes you feel like you actually have a top on and a bottom. And I am so in love with this one and think it is such a good option no matter what style dress you have on, because you can tie this as short or as long as you want to. So just a good option whether you have white or a striped or even a color. I think this is a great way to elevate your t-shirt dress. Since I have on my button-up shirt, I wanted to take the time to show you how to tie the perfect tie on your shirt. And this will go for belts or anything else that you just want to create a perfect knot. And this is super simple. I'm going to show you step by step. And what I do is I just take the button down and I will button it a couple of buttons above where I want to tie it. And then you'll see it's got a long shirt tail on it. And so I just take the shirt tail in the back and I kind of roll it under a couple of times and blouse it in the back. And then I pull both sides forward pretty tight. And then I'll take the right, which is the top of the shirt. So it's what is actually buttoned on the buttons. And if we cross the left over the right, it creates a little bit of a gap, and this helps close it off better. So you're going to go right over left with your tie, and then you're going to take the right one and bring it over and under, okay? And so we're going to do the first tie there and pull it however tight you want it. And you can always mess with it after you get it tied, but I do it pretty tight. And then not super tight, but I get it in there pretty good. So, and then you're going to do the opposite here. You'll take the left one and go over the right one. And then naturally, we're going to take this one under instead of over. And so that creates that top knot that looks really good that you can kind of spread out. I know you've seen those perfect knots that, you know, all it is the fabric laying on top here, and you just kind of mess with it and get it looking how you like it. And then the ties are in the perfect position and lay perfectly. So it doesn't turn in different directions and it lays flat. And then you can just blouse it, and you can even pull it out if you want it a little bit looser, and again pull that material to get it to flatten out, and you have the perfect knot. Those are all my tips that I have for you to elevate your t-shirt dresses. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something, and I hope that you can apply this to things that you already have. If you are interested in anything in the video, I always link them below for you, but if I left something out, just message me and I can send you a link to it. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.